Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Piplup from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw beak. Detail the head. Detail the head. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw a U shape for the body. Detail the body. Draw wings. Draw wings. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.